Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition S-Tronic finished in the modern Glacier White metallic paintwork. This 2020 model comes with a petrol engine with 190 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels with Audi Sport badging on the alloys, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A5 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 450 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest and a rear climate control. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display has similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find USB connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a MMI controller, a gear shifter, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment with an additional USB charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.